Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a picture from the Locket Widget app. So first, go ahead and open up the Locket Widget app and log in if you aren't already. Just make sure to allow access when prompted. Now, every picture you send through Locket gets saved to your history. So at the very bottom, tap on the History tab. You should see the photo you want to remove. Next, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of that picture. A menu will pop up with options like Share, Download, and Delete. Just tap on Delete. Locket will warn you that deleting a photo removes it permanently from your history and from your friends' feeds. If someone has already seen it, you can't undo that, but deleting it means they won't be able to check it later. Just tap Confirm and the photo disappears. And that's it. Your picture is gone from Locket. Yeah, super quick and easy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more short tutorials.